In this video, I will show you how to turn off adaptive brightness in Windows 11. Start, type here edit, power, plan. Now here click on change advanced power settings. Now here guys you will see option enable adaptive brightness. So click on that plus icon and turn off on battery and power. So just you have to turn off battery and power. You will see that feature once you click on this plus icon. I have not that feature in my case, but hopefully you have that feature and you can turn on and turn off adaptive brightness in your Windows. Thanks for watching and please comment in this video useful for you or not.